Are you a buyer trying to buy a home in a seller's market? Oof, I feel your pain. Hello friends, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Larissa Noon here, Realtor with eXp Realty here in Drumheller, Alberta, aka, yes, you know it, dinosaur capital of the world. And on today's episode of Keeping It Real Estate, we are talking about multiple offers and what you can do as a buyer in this situation. But before we begin, if you are new here, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow me on Instagram at Loden Living for more real estate content just like this. Let's get into the video. A multiple offer situation is exactly what it sounds like. This is where multiple buyers have submitted an offer to purchase on the same property at the same time. Now, this usually happens in a seller's market where there is low inventory of homes and strong buyer demand. Or in some cases, sometimes a home is just really in a desirable location, style, or price point, and it has attracted a lot of attention. It's important to know that the sellers actually get to decide if they want to disclose multiple offers. If the sellers disclose a multiple offer situation, you as a buyer have three options. Number one, you can submit your best offer. Number two, you can leave the offer as it is. And number three, you can withdraw the offer. But let's say you really want this home and you're willing to fight for it. Okay, so what can you do to make your offer stand out amongst the rest? Here are 6 tips that can help you out. Starting with number one, well, obviously you can increase your purchase price. You can give the sellers exactly what they're asking for, or if the situation calls for it, go over asking price. Number two, you can increase your deposit. Now, remember, your deposit is a portion of your down payment that is submitted with your offer to purchase, which signifies how serious you are about purchasing this property in good faith. By increasing your deposit funds, this shows the seller that you have the money down to purchase this home and follow through with the transaction. Number three, you can have a possession date or closing date that is ideal for your sellers. So you want to try and match their timeline. So this could mean a very quick closing or a longer closing. Number four, now this option is a bit of a risk and I don't recommend it for my first time home buyers, but if you have all your ducks in a row and you are perhaps an all cash buyer, you can submit an offer to purchase with no conditions. So this is an unconditional offer. So if the sellers accept your offer, the house is immediately considered as sold and the paperwork goes straight to the lawyers. Number five, now, since the seller has multiple offers, you want to give them enough time to review all the offers. So make sure you give them at least a day or two rather than hours before your offer expires. Number six, now this one is a little bit of a personal one that adds that human touch and connection. So for this tip, you can submit a letter with your purchase offer expressing how much you love this home and how you would spend your time in this home. For example, if you are a young family, you can describe how much you would love to be able to spend time in this home and see your kids grow up in this home. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something new. If you want to learn more about the home buying process, click the card above for my home buying series and check the description box below for my free home buyer's guide. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. That would help me out so much. Leave your comments down below and share this video with your family and friends. And of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow me on Instagram at Loden Living for more real estate content just like this. And until next time, I will see you next time. Bye friends!